Our kidneys play a crucial role in detoxifying our bodies and maintaining overall health, but sometimes they need a little extra help. Natural juices can be a great way to support kidney function and promote healing. Let's dive into the top 3 juices that are known for their kidney healing properties. First on our list is cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is well known for its ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can spread to the kidneys if left untreated. According to the National Kidney Foundation, cranberries contain compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, thereby reducing the risk of infections. Drinking unsweetened cranberry juice can help keep your kidneys healthy and free from infection. Next, we have beet juice. Beets are rich in antioxidants and nutrients like betaine, which helps reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. The Journal of Clinical Medicine highlights that beet juice can improve blood flow and support kidney function by reducing blood pressure and improving overall vascular health. Incorporating beet juice into your diet can give your kidneys a powerful antioxidant boost. Last but not least is lemon juice. Lemons are high in citrate, which helps prevent kidney stones by binding with calcium and flushing it out of the body. The American Urological Association notes that lemon juice can increase citrate levels in the urine, thereby reducing the risk of stone formation. Drinking lemon water daily can help cleanse your kidneys and keep them functioning optimally. Incorporating these juices into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your kidney health. Remember to choose fresh, unsweetened juices whenever possible to maximize their benefits. Have you tried any of these juices for kidney health? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching.